Going on World Wide Web, it's your boy Marlon O Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, for some reason, I don't know, my computer's down. It's been down now for almost a day. I don't know what's going on with it, guys, so I'm going to be shooting some videos from the outside today. And in today's video, I want to talk about 3 tips, right, I want to give you guys. For you guys who are, maybe you're new, you just came online and you're looking for a way to start making money from home. And you found that perfect business opportunity for yourself, you know, something that you feel good about, and you're just getting started. 3 tips I want to give you guys. Number 1 is you're gonna have to set goals. Okay, you're gonna have to set some goals for yourself. Why? Because once you start setting goals, guys, you're gonna give yourself something to work toward. Okay, example, you might have the great business, right? And now you want to start building your list. So your goal could be to get 50 new people on your list the very first month that you're in business. That could be your goal, just to get 50 new people on your list. Okay, that's a goal. It's an attainable goal. It's a goal you can set. You know, it's reasonable, and you can do it. And then the next month, you might want to get 100 more people on your list for your business, right? Or your program, whatever that is. That's a goal. So that number 1 tip is set goals for yourself. Number 2, guys, you want to be self-motivated, okay? Yeah, you know, there are lots of motivational videos, inspirational videos that you can tap into. I watch them all the time. Les Brown, Zig Ziglar, Tony Robbins. But sometimes, guys, you got to know how to dig deep inside yourself and self-motivate yourself. Here's the deal, guys. When you can't wait to get up in the morning time, you can't wait. I don't wake up by an alarm clock, by the way. I just get up. And when you can't wait to jump out of bed in the morning, and when you find it hard to go to sleep at night, that's when you know you've tapped into that passion, guys. And when the self-motivation part comes in, when, you know, you're doing something, you're setting goals, and you're self-motivated, that's what's going to keep you on track, guys, okay? When everybody else seems to have deserted you, right? When you seem sometimes like it's just you by yourself. That's where the self-motivation is going to come in. Even though we're part of great teams, we got great mentors, we got great team leaders, the self-motivation is going to be the cornerstone to your success in your online business. Third, guys, implementation, okay? Because you can have the best goals in the world, right? You can be the most self-motivated person that you know on the plate, you know, on the face of this planet. If you're not implementing, guys, if you're not taking action every single day, or at least on a consistent enough basis to get you the results that you want, then you're still dead in the water, okay? So the goal setting, the self-motivation, and the implementation sort of work in concert with each other. When you're doing those 3 things, guys, I promise you, $1 to a dime, you'll be able to speak your own success into existence. And you'll be able to have success in anything that it is you do when it comes to making money online. I told you guys I'm going to be doing a lot more motivational, inspirational videos, because I think that it's imperative. I think that that motivation, that inspiration is the cornerstone, right? That encouragement is the cornerstone to our success. So they all kind of work in concert with each other, okay? I was just, even though my computer's down, I was just checking my phone a few minutes ago, guys, and I just earned another $100, and it's still early yet, right, in my business. And that's the beauty of internet marketing, guys, okay? Now, what I've learned over time is, I'm always talking about simplifying the process, is nobody who has time for a long learning curve. Nobody, right? Because we're busy in our lives today, guys. We got kids, school, work. You know what I mean? Hardly anybody ever seems to have a social life anymore, because we're so busy about the business of just life, you know, making life happen, you know, taking care of business on a day-to-day basis. So everything that I do today, guys, it's all based on automation. And I love it, because not only is it based on automation, but there's that learning curve, I've sort of just brought it down to almost 0. Okay, so of course, guys, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't direct you guys to one of my favorite automated money-making opportunities, which you can find a link for in the bottom of this YouTube video, guys. So go on over there, guys, check it out. Might be something that you might find interesting, right? Something that you might find after watching the presentation that you can actually do. And remember, guys, when you get involved, you will always have my contact information. You can text in or email me. But just remember this, guys. when you get involved with anything, make sure that you set goals. Make sure that you find a way to tap into a great source of self-motivation. And whatever you do, guys, most important, if not equally, make sure that you are implementing what you need to. You're taking action every single day to get you a little bit closer to the place that it is you want to be in your business. Anyway, I got miles to go before I sleep. Lots of videos to shoot. Love you guys. Appreciate you being on the video. Check out the link in the description of the YouTube video. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.